I'm from London, UK, and for many years I've been looking for hair transplant, and I've consulted over 10 different doctors, 10 different medical centers, but I wasn't confident enough until I contacted this medical center, and with Bhargav Bhai, he kept contact with me. He kept messaging and calling me, and anytime I had to ask anything, I would get a response straight away. So this made me feel more confident. And when I came to the clinic, I had some time with Dr. Ashutosh Shah, and he gave me a full hour in explaining properly what the full procedure is. So that made me feel even more confident. And on the day, the whole team were very friendly, very supportive, and they were treating me like family. So I did have no issue, and I felt I'm very happy that I'm in good hands. And during the procedure, I didn't have no pain. After the procedure, I've had no pain until now. And the bandage was put really nicely. It did not affect me at all. And now I've taken the bandage off, there's no pain at all. And now when I look at in the mirror, I feel happy that the hair is done properly, and I feel very confident that I had the hair transplant done by the right doctor in the right clinic with a good team. So I definitely already have recommended some friends and relatives that if they need to get any of these procedures done, then they should come to this clinic. And I myself, and if I need to do anything else, then I will be coming to this clinic. So I recommend everyone to come to do the hair transplant and any other surgery or anything at this clinic.